Where's Canada?
What's it?
Right there. Can you spell it?
C-A-N-A-D-A.
Good job.
What is it?
Canada.
Canada.
That's right. Where's India? Where's India?
It's right there.
That's right. Can you spell it?
I-N-G-I-A.
India.
India.
Where's Australia? Australia.
What's it?
That's right. Australia. Australia.
Australia.
That's right. Where's Mongolia? Mongolia. That's China, buddy. Where's Mongolia? That's right. That's Mongolia. No, Mongolia, buddy. Mongolia. That's right.
Good job, Max. I'm so proud of you. You're such a good boy.
Show mommy where Mexico is.
Do you know
Where's Mexico? Mexico. Max, where's Mexico?
Oh, come on. You know where it is.
I just showed you. Okay, I think his attention span's shot.
Okay.
Hi, mommy.
Hi, Daddy.